Andy, can you explain the importance of Microsoft Excel in the enterprise?
Sure. Well, Microsoft Excel is the number one application ever developed or delivered. It is the cornerstone for most companies with regard to information and information exchange. I have many enterprise customers today. Boardwalk has 28 of the Fortune 500. And I would say that many of them, if not all, would tell you that if we walked in there and shut down Microsoft Excel, that their entire enterprise would stop. That's how important Microsoft Excel is. If you look at most companies today, and the ones that we deal with, they have spent hundreds of millions of dollars, maybe more, on SAP, on Oracle, on Salesforce.com, on ServiceNow, on really important transactional applications that are needed and mission critical in the enterprise. But guess what? Most of the information that is exchanged in an enterprise and managed in an enterprise is matured and worked on before it goes into those transactional systems of record in Microsoft Excel. It is astounding how many companies we see that are literally making millions of dollars worth of decisions every day utilizing the information that's in their Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. What we do is we work with companies to help them move all of those Microsoft Excel spreadsheet processes that are manual today. And when we mean manual, we mean make a change, save it to your hard drive or to your file server and email the spreadsheets to 50 people saying, what do you think? And guess what? That is manual movement of data. And guess what manual movement of data does? It takes a lot of time to get to a decision. Companies, to be competitive and to remain competitive going forward, need to be digital. Companies need to make decisions faster, and you can't make decisions fast utilizing emailed spreadsheets and someone in the back office somewhere trying to aggregate the data and marry the information that's exchanged with 50 people with enterprise data and try and come up with a decision. It just doesn't work anymore. The Boardwalk Digital Ledger platform allows you to be able to take those spreadsheets. You don't have to change anything in those spreadsheets. Move them onto the Boardwalk Digital Ledger, which now creates several different value propositions. One is these spreadsheets are now secure. Two is they're in a central environment, so everyone is working off of the same information, and the information is actually stored in a database. The security across all of these spreadsheets is now paramount to the ability to create a digital environment. Third is there's access control so that you know exactly who's making changes in the spreadsheet and who has access to the data. Fourth is we actually have, through the digital ledger, the ability to track every single change ever made in a spreadsheet forever. You literally can click on a cell and look at all of the transactional history of where that information has been, where it's gone, and where it is now, including formula changes, as well as information that may be coming through integration from the back-end transactional systems. Companies, in order to remain relevant, need to be 100% digital. We love SAP, we love Oracle, we love all of those applications that you've got that are running in those transactional systems of record. But for all of the stuff that sits outside of the transactional systems of record, like all of the emailed Microsoft spreadsheets, it's time to get control of those. It's time to move those into the Boardwalk Digital Ledger and start making decisions faster in a more secure way so that you can take your enterprise to the level of being 100% digital.